Maestro, welcome to the Usina de las Artes del Arte, and this extraordinary opportunity for us to have you here and the Orchestra Maggio Musicale Fiorentino. I would like to ask you, what is your first impression of the place and especially the hall?
Well, at this moment, we did a little acoustical rehearsal. But before the acoustical rehearsal, as soon as I entered the stage and I saw the space, I said, this will be wonderful acoustically. You can feel it. The material, the height of the ceiling, everything, and the size of the hall, for me, is perfect. I don't like big halls. So to have a Teatro Colón in the same town, you need a lot of quality, you know,
Yes.
because everybody will compare. So this is okay. This is, it's a wonderful space. It's a great idea also to do this, and I congratulate the city and everybody who thought of this idea. Wonderful. Bravo, bravo.
Thank you very much, Maestro. Thank you.